good. I'm glad the Pivot Slack liked it. I need to jump in there. I'm like in the Slack, but I'm not really in the Slack. So I need to like get back in there. Pivx is legit. It's going to be legit for a while. So I'm glad they liked it. If you're on Pivx, holla at me. Shoot me an email. I'd love to interview somebody from that team.
Like a boss.
That's right, live from the USA, helping you get paid every day. This is the boss of Bitcoin, the Cristo of crypto. It's your boy BK. And if you don't like me, you must not like money. Today is September 5th, video number 2, and it's time to get paid. If you know me, you know right now, every day, live on the air, I give away cash money. And today is no exception. With that being said, we are about to jump straight into this chat to pick our winner. If you want to win some cash money from me, all you got to do is hit that subscribe button. Click that little bell, turn your notifications on. I jump on the air 7 days a week, and every day somebody's getting paid. Today is no exception. Today's question of the day was, what coin will have the biggest returns in the next 7 days? It's just that easy, you guys. And let's see who's going to be our winner. Who do we want? Who do we want? Let's go right here. I can't pick that one. That's funny though. That's pretty funny. That's pretty funny. Who do we want? Who do we want? Who do we want? Bam! Let's go with Alexandru Cosman that said GOLEM. But he put the little badge emojis behind it. I think that's really what won it. You know, you see my titles. I like the emojis. Yeah, I don't know what that is. That guy's like a tennis player. So what I'm going to do is copy and paste your name. And I'm going to throw that up in our Bitcoin group, the #1 Bitcoin group in the world. If you're on Facebook, feel free to join us. The doors are always open. 10,000 members and growing. And all I'm doing right now is copy and pasting your name and saying winner of the day. You jump on our Facebook page, like this comment, message me your wallet, and I'll send you a couple bucks BTC from me to you as a token of my appreciation. I do truly appreciate your support in our community, and my job, you know, one of the joys of my life is to help people get money. You know, so I'm glad I could do it for you. Thank you for joining us. And let's get to these charts and let's make some money. Bam! Day number 3 on a 100-day challenge by GOLEM. They said he was a mythical creature from once upon a time in Lord of the Rings, looking for the precious. That's my GOLEM impression. Precious. And right now, you know, it looked like that ring done manifested and is about to unwield some magical destiny. When we look at these charts, when I look at this chart, one of the community members actually sent this trade to me. He said, hey, the 7, 21, and 77 and the 231 are all coming together on GOLEM. You might want to check it out. I said, all right, I'll look at it. I saw it. I said, wow. You don't see charts set up like this too often. So if you have some money, some extra money, $5, $10, $100, $1,000, I can't really give you a better breakout opportunity than this chart. And this is not a pump and dump. Actually, I don't even own it yet. I'm about to buy it with you guys on the air right now. So first, I want to show you the chart. I want to show you how it's setting up. This is tradingview.com. I have a link in the description for you newcomers to show you exactly how to set up my chart. If you want to follow me, feel free to do so. You know, I got about 40,000 views, 1,000 subscribers. BD Kelly 1203 is my name on there. And all you do, I got to sign in too, I guess. The good thing about TradingView is it gives you these little alerts. Moving average, crossing down, NEO BTC. I told you yesterday NEO was going to go down a little bit more. I think I told you 2 days ago that was going to happen. No, yesterday. So, but still, it's still a solid pickup for any portfolio at these levels. But just wait till it settles out. So here we go. Golem, getting ready. Boom! Getting ready to make some money. Again, this is tradingview.com. This is the boss method that we will be using. It is patented intellectual property owned by myself. If you are a profit-seeking institution or business, you may not replicate this model without my express written consent. If you're a mom trying to send your kid to college, if you a dude just saving up some bread, by all means, use my method. Be profitable, and be prosperous. As this is a patented, proven process that we're going to go through right now. So let's look at this thing. Golem is setting up real nice, you guys. We got the 7, the 77, and a 231 on a 343-minute candle. And what do I see? Well, right now, if you know how the boss method work, green below orange, sell. Right? Red line, sell. Get out of there. Green above orange, buy. But what happened in between? Right? When we draw our trend line from there to there, we see that breakdown area, right? But then let's look back in time. And when we go back in time, from here, from that last breakout to this most recent breakdown, the exact same spot, you know, we came from, we can see this forms a very nice Fibonacci breakout, breakdown, right? That's our trend line moving there. We throw a Fibonacci on top of it, and now we can basically see that this whole area up here was more or less a setup. That was our consolidation, and this was our correction. But the beautiful thing about this chart, which I haven't seen before, is that it has consolidated exactly right on that 1.618. That's almost like a perfect level for this chart to catch at, for you to buy in on the ground floor, and for all of these lines to come together over the next week or so. And they come together real nice. All 4 lines. I haven't seen a chart too often where all 4 lines come together and lightning strikes. And when these lines actually consolidate like that, you'll get a situation to where all 3 of them come together and this thing is off to the races, right? That's what we got to look forward to on Golem. This thing is setting up so nice. It hasn't broken down. It corrected, right? There's a big difference between a correction and a breakdown. A breakdown would just be, you know, if this thing just fell off the side of the earth, you know, and you were buying it down here somewhere, right? But this is actually quite in tune with the natural harmonics and the natural frequency of this breakout. We broke out right there and we corrected to this exact level. And now, once we build enough momentum, we'll be able to get back into the money zone. And the money zone, up. The money zone is in between those two green bars of the Fibonacci, which is our 618 and 382 levels. And once we get into that money zone, you can see that this would be a return of about 135%. Lock it in the bank, throw away the key, and forget about it, right? You can see a couple more key areas of communication that's built into this chart. That's one of them. This is another one where GOLEM basically consolidated and broke out on that 382. It broke down on the 236. So the harmonics is built into this thing. It bounced off the 786, broke down on the 618. The harmonics is built into this thing. So what I said is this is a great opportunity for you to buy prime time real estate on the ground floor right around 7,000 satoshis. Today it's already up about 20% since yesterday. I don't want to get into the nitty gritty and say should you wait half a day and buy it back down at 75. I think right now is a fine time to buy, understanding that in about a month this thing will be up 100%. So there you go. Now that's what I'm going to buy on day 3 of our 100-day challenge. You could see, like, even in the past 2 days this thing has been running and it's just getting started. In fact, it really hasn't even broken out yet. This is just positive consolidation from where it's been. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to buy 1/100th of 1 Bitcoin worth of GNT. That's what I'm doing for the next 100 days. I'm going to buy 0.01 Bitcoin of something, and then over that time I'll start selling, I'll start buying, and you'll see how we accumulated, and we will end up with a lot more than just 1 Bitcoin. Mark my words. So this is what we're doing. We put our price in at the bid. It'll basically split the market in half. That's 81.55 right now. It looks high considering where it's come from over the past 2 days, but given that we know where it's going, it's a bargain. Trust me. And we put in 0.01 BTC, and it automatically fills in up there. That's going to be 100 plus GOLEM, which is awesome. Hit that buy button, confirm it, bam, bam. Now you got some money, and that, my friends, is how you chart like a boss. Oh. Again, if this is your first time tuning in, congratulations, baby. You are now rocking with the best. My name is BK. My friends know me as a crypto trader, and I am the boss of these charts. In so much that in about 3 or 4 months, we got 12,000 subscribers. I work 7 days a week on these charts to get my people paid. That is my #1 objective, to make as many people as much money as possible. I got a nice little degree from a nice college that'll pay me $100,000 to the day I decide to stop working for the rest of my life, just for having that little piece of paper over there on that shelf. I don't need it right now because I can make more money in these charts, and I can empower more people to do the same, and that's my mission. So with that being said, I invite you to our community. Again, we have a very vibrant, engaged, and supportive group on Facebook. It is called the #1 Bitcoin group in the world. Whenever you want, come on in. The doors are always open. And right now we got about 10,000, broke 10,000 members. So it's a solid group, you guys. I work very hard. The mods work very hard to keep it clean. No spam, no BS, no faucets, no Ponzi schemes, none of that. It's just money, charts, and tipping people off of when big moves are going to happen in the market. Just like I told you, somebody came on one of my emails and sent me this chart, and I looked at it. I said, wow, you're right. Bam, bam. Let's make some money on it. And now you're able to do the same. Showed you how to do it on Bittrex. And if you want to take it a step further, if you're looking to progress as a trader and to grow your profit exponentially, this is our website. It's called thebossofbitcoin.com. Type that in, save it to your favorite places. Bossofbitcoin.com. You'll see this guy over here standing in front of the hometown, suited and booted, wearing the red, white, and blue, looking like the American dream. You know what I'm saying? You click over there, that left-hand side, click that button called shop, and we got 3 works of art for you. The first is called the profit package. It is $25, and this is a hand-selected list, you guys, of the top 10 coins that are bangers. This is more or less, you know, the movers, the shakers, and the money makers, right? We got 3 coins on that list right now that are up 100% since the middle of August. No joke. If you buy it, you'll see why, and you will make some money. Next thing we got on that list is called the Dream Team. And if that list, if the profit package, hold on. If the profit package is the movers, the shakers, and the money makers, then the Dream Team is the next generation. The Dream Team is more or less the recruits, you know, $1 and $2 coins that are set up to be multi-million-dollar enterprises inside the next few years. A few on this list have broken out. So in a week or so, I'll put an update list and you'll see that some coins are already up 30, 40, 50%. I know one of them in particular, I think it's like number 7, is up 40% this week alone. You know, so what I do is I do all of the work for you guys to, put it this way, as much as I can, I do for you, right? To where it's very easy to be profitable. The last thing we got is a one-on-one meeting. If you want to get some FaceTime with the boy BK, you know, you have this option right here. You pay $25. The rest of the description, the rest of the details are in the description. That will take you to my personal calendar. That looks something like this. So say you wanted to do something, you know, Saturday is not available anymore, but say you wanted to do something Friday afternoon, you know, once the kids got home from school, 4:30 p.m., bam, click that button, and now we got some FaceTime, you know, and we are working together to make you some money. That is my biggest capability. What I've been able to do is I've been able to make a lot of people some money so far, and I'm just getting started. We are just getting started. 4 months, 12,000 subscribers, and we just getting started, baby. This thing about to be 50,000, 100,000, and one day it's gonna be 1 million people in the market killing it. You know, they say Wall Street say this is dumb money. You know, they say the smart money, you know, we know how to move it, and we can grow it 8% a year, guaranteed. That's what them scam artists over there at you know, in downtown Manhattan, that's what they'll tell you, 8% a year for your money. That's what your 401k is averaging, minus the fees, minus the tax, minus the early withdrawal, all that stuff. 8% a year. My method beat that probably about 100 times over a year. That's why it's patented. That's why I own it. And that's why if you're a person, you use it for free. You empower yourself, you empower your family, and then you reach somebody else and empower them as well. That's the mission here. With that being said, if you are in the chat, I want you to jump in there, shout your country out, show your people some love. I'm coming back in about 30 seconds. And we go show y'all some love. I just wanted to give you a quick breakdown of how this community has come together. It's really been amazing. You know, every day I talk to people from all over the world, Canada, Switzerland, South Africa, Australia. Today I talked to a young brother out in Chicago, getting it, right? He inspired me. Sitting there in Chicago. I did my first internship when I was going to Notre Dame. I did an internship in Chicago, Deerfield, you know, for a big company, Northwest Illinois, you know, and he was just sitting in his car on his computer. Somehow he had Wi-Fi in his car. Hey, you know, that's what crypto do for you. You just drive around, you got Wi-Fi, right? But you know, we had an amazing conversation, and he really had it together. So he inspired me to just keep going, keep reaching people, keep empowering people, and keep making this money. Wall Street said they got the smart money. Well, I'll be dumb 7 days a week if I can make 800 to 8,000% in a year. Call me stupid. Put it on my chest. And listen to that flamingo. Let's go to this chat, guys. Let's get up out of here. It's late. You know what I'm saying? Kids got school in the morning. I know. I'm having too much fun. So let's go jump in our chat. See who we got rocking out with us right now. Let's go. Who we got? Cleveland Rocks, Suave House. That's right, baby. Suavecito, is that Jake? Suave House in the building. Cleveland Rocks, one time. What's up? Australia's in the building. Big Sean holding it down for Stanford in the Northeast. Germany is in the building. Texas, they said everything's bigger in Texas. We gonna make them bank accounts real big down there. Canada is in the building. Big Lance holding it down for the Big Island in Hawaii, Angola, Brooklyn, Vancouver, Belgium, Germany, two times. What's up? Durham, NC, the Bull City. I got some people out that way. Houston, Texas, Trinidad, Cali, Brazil. Miss Danielle holding it down for the south side of Brazil. U.S. Virgin Islands, Orlando, Canada, Australia, Argentina, Japan, and one more. Who we got? ATL. Peace up. A-Town down. And with that, you know what I'm saying? It's about that time. It's about that time of the day, everybody. This your boy BK signing out. No matter where you stay, from Brazil to the Bay and California. Yeah, good night, good morning, and good day. I sure enough do appreciate your time. Do me one favor. Subscribe and share this video if you appreciate mine. Let's begin to empower our people. If Wall Street say they the smart money, well, let's be stupid and kill it 8,000%, you guys. It's not that hard. It's not that hard. And we are just getting started. I assure you. Buy you some Golem right now. Sit on it for about a month and just send your boy a little tip so I can go throw that money back out in the community. That's how I'm able to give money away every day, because every day people are sending me money just in tips. So I say, okay, well, let's go throw it back out there and get some more people involved. Bam! That's how we do it, right? That's how we do it. 7 days a week. It's a beautiful thing, baby. Come on in. The doors are always open. You know what I'm saying? And the grass is cleaner when the money is greener. I'm out, man. I'm out. I gotta go. Kids got school. I ain't got no kids, but y'all kids got school. Thank you, guys. Subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.